Meghalaya's Department of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs launched the food security campaign led by Minister Comingone Ymbon to ensure access to food grains for the poorest. Utilizing social mainstream and community-based media, the campaign focuses on public awareness about citizens' right to food security. Objectives include promoting One Nation, One Ration card, Aadhaar seeding, and informing the public about the Redressal System and the ePoS. The campaign highlights divisions working on Antyodaya Anna Yojana, priority households, ONORC and Aadhaar seeding. Citizen services cover ration card applications, consumer complaints and ePoS transactions. The plan involves outdoor, print, electronic and social media, aiming for maximum public engagement and a transparent, sustainable service system. The department collaborates with grassroots organizations and leaders, encouraging public participation through media, the arts, and songs. The dissemination plan includes community leaders, press releases, pamphlets, posters, social media, skits, roadshows, and a bilingual song and music video in Khasi and Garo to emphasize collaborative efforts for food security.
Through this food security campaign, the Department of Food and Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs Government in Meghalaya aims to inform and educate so that everyone understands the various aspects of National Food Security Act and how it ensures that the poorest of the poorest in the country have access to food grain at a very affordable price. We want to reach out to our key stakeholders, which include all the beneficiaries of the NFSA, who are fed by shop dealers and community leaders, so that together we can reach our ultimate goal of zero hunger. Awareness is a key if you have to achieve this.
Government of India, after getting the Aadhaar, I think more than 10,000 crore, they saved money in their department because of the Aadhaar. So many duplicacy like Ration card and all. Because of this Aadhaar, I think the government of India is and more than 10,000 crore something. This Aadhaar means to get the transparency, to get everything. No? That is the aim of the department, to request the beneficiaries to do the Aadhaar setting.
It is rice which may have been milled in Punjab and some other state, and by rail head it comes to the point in Guwahati. From there, by truck and by carriage, it gets transported to all the states. So there are various levels of checking in Punjab when the milling is done, when it is packed, then when it will reach here in Guwahati, sample checks are being done, then when it is lifted by the wholesale dealers, then also it is not done, the lifting is not done just at the level of the wholesale dealers. There has to be some SI or some person who is in charge of lifting from the Food and Civil Supplies Department who are also there. Maybe because of rain, because of weather, some reason or the other it may get spoiled also. FCI has told very clearly that they are willing to lift the complete amount of rice which may be spoiled due to some reason. They have given a word to Honorable Minister Sir in a meeting chamber.